Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday, and yes, today we're talking about grout floats. Exciting, I know, but these things are one of the most important tools a tiler can have. Every tile job needs to be grouted, and we have 3 grout floats to talk about and compare. Starting from the cheapest $7 grout float, bumping up to a $17 grout float, and of course one of the most expensive, a $40 grout float. Let's bring the camera in close and discuss and compare these 3 grout floats. Here we go. Okay, we'll start with the cheapest. By MD Building Products. You've got a standard rubber grout float. You've got beveled round edges here, square edges there. It's very lightweight, rubber handle, and again, this is the $7 grout float. They really do wear out quickly. More guided towards DIYers, homeowners. If you're a professional and install tile for a living, these edges will wear out quickly, not allowing you to get a proper squeegee to clear off the grout from the tile. And as you can see up close, thin amount of rubber. Most of this is cheap foam, but again, $7. Not bad for a $7 grout float. Let's now talk about the middle range grout float Troxel USA. This is a $17 grout float. It's a 4" by 9" pure urethane bottom. So it's a solid rubber bottom here. You've got a soft grip handle rubber, lightweight, just as light as the $7 cheap MD Products grout float. And I know from personal experience this grout float is highly durable, does not wear down quickly like this does, and made in the USA. Troxel. Now the last grout float that we'll talk about is made by Superior Built. This thing is big, this thing is heavy, and this float is expensive. Now this float is solid polypropylene, different type of rubber than this. I don't know the difference, but feels nearly identical, just much larger and heavier. You've got an ergonomic offset handle here to distribute the weight a little better. And again, this thing does weigh a lot more than these 2. You also have sharp, soft edges for easy cleanup. And this definitely feels like a good quality grout float. But again, for $40, running this thing all day long will definitely give you a bit of a workout. The Troxel is just about half the weight. The rubber feels just as good. $17 versus $40. I would go with the Troxel. Well, that's it for today's video. 3 grout floats, 3 price points. You've got the cheapest, the $7 grout float for, I would recommend DIYers, homeowners, or short-term projects, as the sides wear out quick, the edges and corners wear out quick as well. Then you've got your mid-range grout float, $17 by Troxel. This is a fantastic grout float. The price point is just right. Great for DIYers, homeowners, contractors, professionals. And then you got the big boy, the $40 grout float. Quality's up there. It's fantastic quality. It's a bit heavy. Great for epoxies and large flooring jobs. You've got a lot more area to spread that grout around. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.